Hey guys, Tarun here from Minus Gateway. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So in this video, we are going to discuss the state of GPU mining with 4 GB cards, and what the profitability looks like on these 4 GB cards. As of now, if you look at the market, Bitcoin has fallen about 55% over over this year. From if you look at the custom dates that I've selected. I've selected it from 15/05 2021 to 15/06 2022. That's close to about 13 months. Bitcoin has actually fallen by 55%, and Ethereum has gone down by 69.36%. Right. And if you look, as you're aware, right, in my previous videos, I've mentioned that I also mine with 4 GB cards. I have one rig that is up and running with 4 GB cards. And the state of that is really bad, guys. It's not looking very good at all at this point of time. If you see, I've taken 1050 Ti as a reference with 7 cards, though I have 1650 as well, right? But Watermine does not show the 1650 here. So I have taken 1050 Ti as a reference, and when I key in 7 of these cards, if you look apart from Shiro, right, which actually earns you a profit, earns you what do you call it? It earns you about 0. That is about 11 cents as profit. The total revenue is about $1.46 minus the power, and you get about 11 cents. Mining any other coin at this point of time, you will end up losing money on a daily basis, close to about 12 cents. So the state of mining doesn't look good, right? And you know, uh, this is because of one, there are talks of recession coming. The US is planning to increase their borrowing interest rates, borrowing and lending interest rates. Excuse me, guys. That is going to have a negative impact on the market. If you look at the stock market as well, that is also that is also fallen very badly. And if you look right now, mining with 4 GB cards doesn't look good at all. The state of mining is in a really bad shape. So apart from that, if you take a look at the profitability of a single 1660 Ti, right? Ethereum, Shiro, these are the two coins that are still profitable. So if you have a mining rig, I would suggest continue to mine Ethereum, and trade. If you have any card which is above 4 GB, and if you can mine Ethereum, continue to mine Ethereum, and hold it for a long period of time so that it can fetch you some money. But at this point of time, mining with 4 GB cards is a bad idea. So with that, I'll conclude this video. Sorry about my voice. I'm still recovering. So I have a flu. And as always, if you like what I do, and if you like the content, please do hit the like and subscribe button, and it will help me in the long run by supporting me, and it will also keep me motivated as well. Until the next video, you guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.